Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can use the time/enter single activity timesheet to enter the hours worked by a person, what they did, for which customer job, and optionally how much you paid them to do it for a single day. You can open the time/enter single activity window by choosing Employees, Enter Time, time/enter single activity from the menu bar. Within the time/enter single activity window, select the date for the activity from the Date Calendar Selector field. Use the Name drop-down to select the person whose time you are entering. Enter the customer job, service item, payroll item if you enable your employees to enter hours via the timesheet, WC code, and notes that you want to record into the fields of the same names. Then enter the duration of time to record this activity into the Duration field. To actively record the time you spend performing an activity, like legal research for example, you can click the Start button when you begin the activity, the Pause button when you want to pause the time recording, and the Stop button when you have finished the activity to record the actual time you spent performing the activity as an entry within the Duration field. When you are finished entering time data, click the Save and Close button to save the time and close the window.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.